Hi CC families, it's Miss Leigh Anne for your week 1 recap. So with math today, we do math exercises. We are doing the full multiplication tables. Today was the 1 times tables and the 2 times tables. So we did like a lap. We did one of these, 1 times 1 equals 1, through 15s. And then we did it with 2s. We did squats, so we would like 2 times 1 equals 2, squat. So we did squats, we did jumping jacks. We spun in a circle while we did our multiplication tables. So we got our bodies moving and we kind of interspersed that between subjects for new grammar today. For English, we did a really fun rap for parts of speech. It's Miss Denise on CC, it's on YouTube, and she does the 8 parts of speech, and she also is doing like a clapping rhythm. And it was noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, adjective. So that's what we did for parts of speech, and then we had a really good time doing them in accents. So we did a noun, and then they would repeat noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, interjection, preposition, I forgot conjunction, and adjective. So we did that in a southern accent for our parts of speech. For history, we have some hand motions that go with tell me about Charlemagne. So we said in 800 during, so kind of during, like we're stirring kind of this area, during the medieval period, Pope Leo, so we took an L and made a really tall hat, Pope Leo the III crowned Charlemagne Holy Roman Emperor of Europe. So we did the Pope Leo for the tall Pope's hat, Pope Leo the III crowned Charlemagne Holy Roman Emperor of Europe. That's a mouthful. For Latin, we have a song, OST, must, tis, und. I'm pretty sure that's the melody. This is my first time in Cycle 2, so I'll be learning it along with you guys. And since we are focusing on present tense, this is a present tense for first conjugation endings, we pretend wrap to present and then pass the present to our neighbor while we sang this through the CC song. For timeline, our hand motions were timeline, and then we will start at the beginning. So we start like starting a car, a key in a car, beginning of the ages. And so it's age of ancient empires, like a beard, and then creation and the fall, the flood and the Tower of Babel, Mesopotamia and Sumer, 2 major rivers that these civilizations were on, Egyptians, and this is the snake, and then we do 3000 BC, and then Indus River Valley civilization, Minoans, and we showed them on the timeline card, there's a bull, Minoans, and then Mycenaeans. This is a sign we use a whole lot for gold or golden, and the Mycenaeans were master goldsmiths. So Minoans and Mycenaeans. That was timeline. We did that several times. We looked at the review or the timeline cards, and then we sang it again. For geography, we used our maps. We're doing the 7 continents and the 5 oceans. We did show me, tell me. Well, we went through it all together. This is North America, this is South America, and these are the oceans. And then we, I would hold up the map and say, show me North America. And they would show me North America, show me South America, show me Antarctica, show me Asia, Europe, Asia. You get it. So we worked with the map, just show me, tell me, and we kind of went back and forth, and then we sped up, and I would say it and they'd have to touch it as fast as possible, and then we repeated them and did it more slowly. For science, we had what occurred on each day of creation. So on day 1, we had the earth, space, like space around here, time, and light. For day 2, there was the atmosphere, so we kind of did like atmosphere that's all around us, the atmosphere. Day 3 was dry land and whichever way you want to have plants. Day 4 is the sun, the moon, and the stars. Day 5 was fish, sea creatures, and birds. And then day 6 was land animals, rawr, like land animals. And then Adam, I pointed to the boys in the room, and Eve, who pointed to the ladies in the room. So that was our new grammar for week 1. Hope you have a great week. If you have any questions, let me know.